Looking for the best Canon cameras in 2026? In this video, we'll explore some of Canon's top options for photography, video, travel, content creation, and professional shooting. Let's get started. Starting at number 1. Canon EOS Rebel T7. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera double zoom lens kit is a versatile option for beginner photographers, featuring a 24.1 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor for detailed, high-quality images. The kit includes an EFS 18 to 55 mm lens for everyday photography and an EF 75 to 300 mm lens for capturing distant subjects, giving users greater flexibility across different shooting situations. It also supports full HD video recording and built-in Wi-Fi connectivity for convenient photo sharing and transferring files to compatible devices. With its user-friendly DSLR design and two versatile lenses, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 kit is well suited for photography, travel, family events, and learning the fundamentals of interchangeable lens cameras. Number 2. Canon EOS R6 Mark II. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II mirrorless camera with the RF24-105mm f/7.1 IS STM lens kit is a versatile full-frame hybrid camera designed for both photography and video. It features a 24.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor paired with Canon's Digic X processor, delivering detailed images and strong performance in a variety of lighting conditions. The included RF24-105mm f/7.1 IS STM lens provides a useful zoom range for everyday photography, travel, portraits, and general-purpose shooting, while its compact design and image stabilization make it practical for handheld use. With advanced autofocus, in-body image stabilization, and capable movie features, the EOS R6 Mark II is a strong choice for creators who want one camera for both high-quality photos and video. Number 3. Canon EOS R5 Mirrorless Camera. The Canon EOS R5 mirrorless camera with the RF24-105mm f/L is USM lens kit is a high-resolution full-frame hybrid camera designed for demanding photography and video work. It features a 45 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor and Digic X image processor, delivering detailed images and fast overall performance. Canon lists continuous shooting at up to 12 frames per second with their mechanical shutter and 20 frames per second electronically, while the camera also supports 8K DCI video recording. The included RF24-105mm f/L is USM is a versatile L-series zoom lens suited to landscapes, portraits, travel, and everyday photography, with optical image stabilization and fast, quiet nano USM autofocus. Number 4. Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III. The Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III digital camera kit, Graphite Limited Edition, is a compact and versatile camera designed for photography, video recording, travel, and content creation. It features a 20.1 megapixel 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor, a built-in 24 to 100 mm equivalent f/1.8, 2.8 zoom lens, and a 3.0-inch tilting LCD display. The camera supports 4K video recording at up to 29.97 frames per second and offers Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity for convenient wireless sharing and device connections. This renewed bundle also includes a 64GB Extreme Pro SD card, LED video light, tripods, camera case, HDMI cable, cleaning kit, and additional accessories, making it a convenient all-in-one package for beginners, vloggers, travelers, and everyday creators. Number 5. Canon EOS R6 Mark III. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III mirrorless camera with the RF24-105mm f/L is USM lens is a versatile full-frame hybrid camera designed for weddings, events, photography, and content creation. It features a 32.5 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor and Digic X processor, with continuous shooting up to 40 frames per second electronically and up to 12 frames per second mechanically. For video, it supports 7K RAW recording, 4K up to 120p, and advanced Canon log options, making it suitable for demanding video workflows as well as still photography. The included RF24-105mm f/L is USM provides a versatile zoom range for portraits, events, travel, and everyday shooting, with optical image stabilization and a constant f for aperture. The bundle mentioned also includes a 64GB memory card and camera bag, providing useful accessories for getting started with photography and video. So, those are some of the best Canon cameras to consider in 2026. Check the product links in the description, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more camera and tech reviews.